I don't know how to express all of those in words, and so I created this small little video for you. I hope you enjoy it, and there are a lot of people who also want to wish you. So keep watching.
हमारे सारे वो अमेजिंग ट्रिप्स और वो हर एक साथ में बिताए हुए खुशी के पल हमेशा याद रहेंगे। कितने मजे किए, मस्ती किए और पागलपन किए तुम्हारी कृष्णा बनी, और साथ में हम दुनिया से भी जीत गए। आई गेस हमारी पार्टनरशिप का कोई तोड़ नहीं है। We just complete each other. Hope we stay like this forever. Lots of love to you. I love you.
Oh, my dancing queen. I remember last year we all had so many delicious food in Indian style at your sweet home. Yeah, I miss it and miss you too. Hope we all can get through this pandemic. And wishes beautiful Shika keep smiling and keep positive and keep safe for sure. And happy birthday to Shika. Best wishes from Ken.
Hello, Sika. I'm Billy. Wish you a birthday. Happy birthday. I have a friend also want to celebrate with you. A little blue beer.
Stay cool.
Hey Shikha, wish you a happy and happy wala birthday. I wish you find happiness in all the events of your life. Keep smiling and continue to be the reason of our smiles as well. And we really hope that next year we can actually go and wish you in person. Have a blast today and make this day memorable in your own special way. Happy birthday once again.
Very happy birthday to the beautiful lady of NCUT. Very happy birthday शिखा दी. जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. Wish you all the good things in your life. अच्छे से बर्थडे मनाओ, सत्तू पियो और घर में एंजॉय करो. Happy birthday.
हेलो शिखा, तुम्हें जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाई. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. होप you get everything you desire. God bless you.
Hello, Shika. Wishing you a happy birthday and be my good friend forever.
Hi Shikha, happy birthday to you, Shengvi Kwailer. Just wanted to say thank you for being such an amazing friend. Many happy returns of the day and all the best for your journey ahead in life. Keep rocking.
Hi Shika, wish you a very happy birthday. See you soon.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, my dear dance queen. May all your dreams come true and wish you a happy and beautiful life like you are always. Hope to see you soon together. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Hi Shika, do you remember me? How are you this day? So I know your birthday is coming. I wish you all the best. Hope you and your family stay safe during the pandemic. So hope to see you soon. And happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday.
Wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hi Shikha, happy birthday to you. Sending laughter and joy on your way. Stay bubbly, stay blessed, stay energetic as you are. All the very best wishes. Happy birthday to you. Bye bye.
I wish you a very happy birthday.
Dr. Shikha, okay, I'm here to wish a very happy birthday to Dr. Shikha. Happy birthday, Dr. Shikha. You are the best girl. You are the most beautiful girl, and you are the best cook, best dance, best sing. Hope you do best and become best girl. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Hi Shikha, wish you a very happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in your studies and in your other endeavors, and I hope that everything you do is successful, and I wish that all your wishes come true. All the best. Bye.
Hey Shikha, wish you a very happy birthday. हमेशा खुश रहो, ऐसे ही मुस्कुराती रहो, बना के इरादा बनती रहो. Unfortunately यार इस वक्त सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर सकते, but definitely we will celebrate soon. And enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. And once again, wish you a wonderful birthday to a wonderful girl. Take care and be safe.
Hey, hi Shikha-di. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy a lot and have lot of party and have cakes, and one special cake from my side also, one bite of cake, and I wish to you have a lot of people for this year, in this year, end of this year, and enjoy a lot of party hard, and that's it. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Happy birthday from my side as well. Enjoy hard, party hard, and don't forget to give party to us also. Bye bye. Happy birthday again.
Hi Shaika, great dancer, wonderful artist, beautiful being human. I wish you healthy happinesses and success in your future. Many more returns of the day. Happy birthday Shaika. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.
Hi Shika, wish you many more happy returns of the day. I wish this year to be a great successful year, and keep smiling always, be happy always, enjoy the day.
Hey Shika, happy birthday. Hello.
Happy birthday.
Oh Shika, oh
Shika zara sun lo.
ओ शिखाओ बर्थडे की विश तुम ले तो लो. हैप्पी बर्थडे
Shika.
Hi Shika dear, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Happy to have known you. Wish you all the best. Take care. See you soon. A million magic and wishes to you. Bye bye.
Hello Shika, happy birthday to you. कैसे हो? उम्मीद करता हूँ कि अच्छा से ये बर्थडे भी तुम्हारा मने और जल्दी से जल्दी घर वापसी की तैयारी करो. अरे बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं मुझे. पिछले टाइम जब हम लोग ने वहाँ पे साथ में मनाया था और कितनी तुम्हारी कुटाई हुई थी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. पता है इस बर्थडे पे मैं हूँ नहीं वहाँ पे ना, इसलिए आपका बहुत कुछ बच गया. एक तो मेरा बर्गर बच गया, दूसरा फिर आपके घर की पार्टी बच गई. बट टेंशन मत लो, मैं सितंबर में आ रहा हूँ तो सब हिसाब बराबर किया जाएगा. बट हाँ, हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन. ठीक है, एंड पार्टी ज़रूर लूँगा मैं.
Hello Shika. Today I want to wish your birthday many more happy returns of day. I hope you are enjoying your birthday party. May God bless you. Take care.
Hey Shika, happy birthday.
Hi Shikha, I hope you are doing well and staying safe during the pandemic. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you, and hope to see you soon. Enjoy your special day. Bye bye. हैप्पी बर्थडे शिखा मोटी। आई होप तुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स मिले और सरप्राइजेस मिले और एन्जॉय योर डे। और मेरी तरफ से तुझे एक गिफ्ट है, सोच क्या हो सकता है। वो ये है कि मैं ही तेरी सबसे बड़ी गिफ्ट हूँ। ओके बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Shikha, happy birthday. How are you? I wish you have a good healthy and a happy every day. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi Shika, many more happy returns of the day. இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். 16 பெற்று பெருவாழ் வாழ்க.
Hi Shikha, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead of you, and may you have all the happiness and may all your wishes come true, and many happy returns. It was great having you as my friend, and it was lovely that I got to meet you, and you're a wonderful girl. Hope we remain friends forever. I really miss you guys. Actually, I do miss you all the time. Hope we could meet someday very soon and get back together again. And may I wish I celebrate all of your birthdays again with you all together. And for now, many happy returns of the day, and may you have a great day.
Hi Shika, wish you many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a beautiful life ahead. All the best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello Shika, Janamdin Mubarak ho. Happy birthday. As a beautiful and talented girl you are, I wish you a great day and a year of blessings ahead, and may your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
Anna, ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Happy birthday. Alles Gute, all the best for you. Mach's gut.
Shikha, wish you all the success and happiness. Have a great day.
Hello Shikha, many happy returns of the day. Let's party after this pandemic ends and enjoy your day. Bye bye. All the best for future.
Hi Shikha, happy birthday. Wish you all the success and happiness. Stay happy and of course stay safe. And thank you so much for all your encouragement.
Hi, happy birthday Shikha.
Shika, wishing you a very happy birthday and all success in your life. Have a great day and great celebration. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Feliz cumpleaños, Bebe.
Hello Shika, how are you? I hope you're fine. Happy birthday Shika. I wish you a birthday that is really special like you. And thank you so much Miss Bera for involving me in this birthday surprise. I am so excited for this. और मुझे यकीन है कि शिका को ये सरप्राइज बहुत पसंद आने वाला है. Love you guys, you are the best. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shikha. Happy birthday to you.
बर्थडे
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा शिखा तुला.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो
हजारों साल
ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर शिखा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. परमेश्वर तुला खूप खूप सुखात ठेव आणि तुला खूप भरभराटी हो, तुला कायम यश मिळो. आणि हे तुझ्यासाठी छोटंसं गिफ्ट.
प्यारी बेटी शिखा, जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं तुम्हें.
आज हम तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर हमारी भावना व्यक्त करना चाहते हैं.
हमारे घर की खुशियाँ हो तुम,
हमारे घर की रोशनी हो तुम,
हमारे घर का चिराग हो तुम,
हमारा प्यार हो तुम,
हमारी उम्मीदों का सहारा हो तुम,
हमारी आँखों का तारा हो तुम,
हमारे दिल में हमेशा रहती हो तुम, हमारी प्यारी बिटिया रानी हो तुम.
हाय शिखा, मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. हैप्पी बर्थडे. और क्या पार्टी वगैरह चल रही है कि नहीं वहाँ? हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं तुम्हारा इंडिया में. भगवान तुम्हारी सारी इच्छाएं कंप्लीट करे और बहुत सक्सेस दे तुमको. आ जाओ जल्दी.